Hello, me again. It's day 3 of the 30-day blog challenge, and today's topic is your ideal first date. Now, my ideal first date would probably be a nice romantic dinner at an Italian restaurant because I love Italian food, and a good bottle of wine and some good conversation. And then maybe afterwards go to a rock and live concert where I can shake my thing and see how much fun he is. But I've been married for 11 years and I haven't been on many first dates. In fact, my boerewors and I, here's my boerewors, meet him, say hello.
Hi guys.
Say hello. Okay. And we, as I say, we didn't have a first date because we worked together and things just didn't work out that way. Anyway, so I decided I can't really tell you much about my ideal first date, so I would rather tell you about a blind date that I once had, which was an absolute disaster. The guy was like super good looking, so I was all out to impress. Anyway, his first mistake was he took me to a jazz club. Now, if anybody knows me, they know I hate jazz. I love any other type of music, but jazz, I just don't get it. So he decides to put us in the corner in this cozy little table, candle light, that we were right next to this big ass speaker. And I spent the night listening to this horrible music, and I didn't have a chance to talk to him. So I could look at him, I could sit and admire him, but that was about it. So what's the next best thing to do? I proceeded to get hopelessly drunk. So one vodka after another keeps coming, and eventually I ran out of fags and I said to him, "Oh, please pass me my handbag." Digging in my handbag, trying to get my fags out of my bag, get one, and what did I pull out? Yep, you guessed it. I pulled out my tampon. Tampon with applicator. So not only did I pull out the tampon, but I actually lit the thing up, believe it or not. Yep, the whole thing started burning. The paper caught alight. Eventually the cardboard caught alight. I decided, okay, well, let's just put it out in the ashtray. And the thing starts smouldering. Now, I shit you not, this is the God's honest truth. The thing starts stinking the place out. Needless to say, I was mortified. He was mortified, and he was very polite. He cut the bait short, and we both went our separate ways. So I'm not surprised that we didn't have a second date. And I'm not surprised that he didn't phone me to say he had a wonderful time, because obviously he didn't. So that's one of my most embarrassing moments. And sometimes I wonder, does he remember as much as I do about that night? Okay, I was drunk, so I don't remember every single detail. But what does he tell his friends? What does he tell his pals? Does he say, "Oh my God, the woman that I met last night, she smoked her tampon, for crying out loud"? It's just too much to take. Anyway, so that's my post about my ideal first date or my not ideal first date. So hope you enjoyed my wee video today. Come back and see some more tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to do a video tomorrow. I think I'm like overkill now. So depending on what tomorrow's topic is, I haven't even looked at it. I'll do something a wee bit different. But anyway, cheers for now.